Welcome my friends. I have two beautiful centerpieces for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make these beautiful centerpieces using Dollar Tree materials. Let me show you how to make them. For our first centerpiece, you're going to be needing two of the plus vases that you can get from Dollar Tree. This one here, which is very large, tall, glass. This one was $5. And then this one, ceramic, this one was also $5. Now you can pick this one up either in white or in black, that's up to you. I thought white was a little bit more versatile, and I purchased these two specifically to do this type of centerpiece. So you want to place your ceramic vase inside, try to get it in the middle there. Now I'm just going to place this roll of ribbon here in the center of the ceramic vase. I don't want anything that I'm going to put in around to get inside. Now the first thing I want to add is some candy corn, and they are candy corn mellow cream 6-ounce package, and I'm going to start with 2 packages. Okay, so I have about 2 inches of the candy corn on the bottom. Next I'm going to add some ghost peeps. Now the peeps also came in pumpkins, so you can use either what you can find in your store or what your choice is. So I have 1 extra ghost out of 4 packages. But look at how cute that looks. Next I have a couple packages of these sour apple witch fingers. Now I do not intend on eating any of this candy. Once I'm done with this centerpiece, I'm just going to throw it away. So it's like a little sucker. So this part I'm going to hide down behind the ghost. Just imagine all the different holidays that you can do using this technique for your centerpiece. Just imagine at Christmas time all the cute little things that you can add, or Valentine's using conversation hearts and some of the other candies, or even Easter. And I also have a package of the pumpkins mellow cream. Now all of the candy that I'm using you can pick up at Dollar Tree. Aren't they cute? They look like little pumpkins. So these 2 large vases that you can pick up at Dollar Tree for $5 is a great investment, especially if you like to decorate your table for each holiday. Isn't that cute with the witch fingers, the little pumpkins, the ghost, and the candy corn? Now I can take this out. Now here in the center you can use fresh florals. You can add water and put in your fresh florals, or you can use artificial. Now I'm going to be using 2 of these stems that I picked up at Dollar Tree in their plus section for fall. I love the mixture. Now they're a nice big stem. They have lots of greenery on them, but it's a little too tall. So instead of cutting it, I'm just going to bend everything up the other way. Okay, it helps to kind of open up your bundle, and it makes it shorter without having to cut it. So when I go to reuse these, if I need the stem longer, I can just bend them back. So I already did it to my second one, and see, 2 of these together is plenty full enough. Then you just need to style your florals a little bit, pull some down so they come out over the edge. And there you go, we're all done with this one. Now you can arrange the candy however you want. Use whatever's available in your store. Remember, this is not going to be to eat, this is going to be to decorate. An adorable Falloween centerpiece made using Dollar Tree materials. For the base of this centerpiece, you're going to need one of these large serving trays that you can get at Dollar Tree. They have several different designs, so use whatever you can find in your store. They come in gold tones, antique gold, silver, and then this is something that I found recently. This is kind of more of a coppery or burgundy, and it has this really beautiful leaf motif. And they are just calling these charger plates. They are for decor purposes only, and they are only $1.25. So check your stores and see what different finishes they have and choose one that you like. You're not going to see a lot of the plates, so don't worry if you can't find something that's just what you're looking for. Today I'm going to be using this plain gold charger. You're also going to need some floral foam. I have one package here that has 4 pieces that is 1.5 inches by 2.6 inches by 3.3 inches. You're going to need a whole package and then an additional one. Okay, so I have my 5 pieces. I'm going to take one piece, and I like to use a paint scraper, and I'm going to cut this guy in half. That gives you a pretty clean cut. Now I have a small dowel rod that I've cut down. You can also use toothpicks for this, or you can use a wooden skewer and cut that down. Okay, so I have everything attached, and now I'm just going to hot glue this down. This is not going to be a permanent hold, but this is going to hold it in place while I work on it. After the holiday, you'll be able to take it apart. Okay, so my base is glued down. It's not going to go anywhere. You're also going to need 2 tea lights. I pulled these this year from Dollar Tree. They have so many different ones to choose from, so just pick ones that are small, that you like, that have the color tones that you want to pull in your centerpiece. Okay, so I'm just going to hot glue these down on top, just to make them stable enough so when I move the centerpiece they don't fall off. Again, this is only going to be a temporary hold. Make sure to check the description box for a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's video. Okay, so my base is done. Everything is on and it's nice and sturdy. If your little tea light holders are heavy, you'll want to hot glue this onto the top of these, otherwise it may fall out. You don't want that to happen. So the first thing I want to add is my filler, which are going to be 2 maple leaf stems. I thought these are really pretty. They have all those beautiful colors. And then I also pulled 2 stems of this color, a little bit more rustic on the brown side. These are silver dollars. And then these are also silver dollars. This has that beautiful mix as well. So to get these all prepared, I'm just going to pull them all out and cut stems. So on these, this part of the leaf, this is hard to get into the foam, so you want to leave a little bit of that longer stem. So I'll cut right above it, go down, leave about an inch, 2 inches, and cut. Now that's ready to go in. I'm going to do that to each of these stems. Now for the fall leaves, I'm just going to pull them apart, push the leaves up so they occupy the top section, leave a few inches, and trim these individually. My fall leaves are all prepared, so I'm going to start adding them. When placing your florals into your floral foam, you just want to make sure that whatever you do on one side that you do to the other. Use your florals and make sure that they are evenly distributed throughout the arrangement so everything looks cohesive. By using a lot of different textures and colors, you get a beautiful organic looking fall centerpiece. Now I'm going to add in some of these leaves to help fill in. This centerpiece took approximately 13 stems. I used a mixture of different types of leaves, florals, and berries. Use whatever florals are available to you in your store. I have some left over, but I'm going to start with that because I haven't added any of my florals. So I have one stem of this, which I thought was really pretty. This is called Amaranthus. And then I also pulled 2 of these. They're just calling them Mini Flower with Grass. This is a fall floral. Again, just kind of push up those leaves. Trim by giving yourself a couple inches there. Now I don't think I'm going to be using this plastic. I just want this part. So I'm only going to be cutting those, and I'm going to give myself a couple inches. Now I really like both of these flowers. They give great texture. I'm going to start with these because they're long and I want them to kind of come up and drape out. If you're enjoying today's content, make sure to subscribe, and when the notification bell pops up, if you hit that too, YouTube will let you know every time I upload new content. And I do upload new content to my channel every week. Okay, I have a couple left. I'm going to save those. Now I'm happy with that. Before I go any further, I want to add some of my larger elements. So I have these 2 white pumpkins. They did come from Dollar Tree. Everything that I'm using in this centerpiece came from Dollar Tree. And then I also have this pumpkin. I'm just going to use a small dowel rod. You can also use a skewer. Cut about 4-inch pieces. And then take that and put it into your pumpkin. Decide how you want it to show. Put this guy over here. And then use the skewer to get it into place. Now this is a big pumpkin. These are all big pumpkins, so that's why I wanted to get them placed before I add any more items. I also have a package of the foam mushrooms. You get 3 in a package from Dollar Tree. They have several different colors to choose from, so just choose something that's going to go with the colors you're using in your centerpiece. I'm going to attach them the same way by using a wooden skewer. I have all of my large elements in and I'm really happy with that. I like the 3 pumpkins and the 3 mushrooms. Now I'm going to fill in with a little bit more florals. I have a stem here of the mini pomegranates, and this is the nice dark red. I'm going to use that. I have 1 stem here of the fall berries. I just call them berries. And then I have 1 of the yellow bittersweet and 1 of the orange bittersweet. This is so pretty as a filler floral. I'm just going to prep these and then we're going to add them. I'm going to place my berries. And now I'm just going to fill in with my bittersweet, the rest of my leaves, and these guys. And here you go. I have all of my elements in and I'm very happy with the end result. It's very organic, lots of beautiful fall colors and textures, exactly what I was going for. All I need to do is add 2 little votive candles. And this is ready for my table. Dollar Tree does carry unscented votive candles. You get 3 for $1.25. They are 2 inches high by 1.4 inches in depth. This centerpiece took approximately 13 stems. I used a mixture of different types of leaves, florals, and berries. Use whatever florals are available to you in your store. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. If you know anyone who would enjoy my content, please share it with them. Thanks again for stopping by. It's always a pleasure to see you. Have a great day, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.